Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for all the professionals and business owners out there who are part of organizations like the Lions, Masons, or Shriners. Are the dues you pay to these organizations tax deductible? It's a great question, and the IRS doesn't always make it easy to figure out. Let's break it all down and get you the clarity you need to maximize your tax savings. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the general rule for deducting club dues. The IRS states that you typically cannot deduct amounts paid for membership in any club organized for business, pleasure, recreation, or other social purposes. This means clubs like country clubs, golf and athletic clubs, and even some airline or hotel clubs are non-deductible for tax purposes. But there's an important exception: civic and public service organizations. The IRS does allow deductions for dues paid to these kinds of organizations, as they are not considered to be primarily for entertainment purposes. So, where do organizations like the Lions, Rotary, or Kiwanis clubs fall? According to the IRS, these organizations are classified as civic and public service organizations, and therefore, dues paid to them are generally deductible as long as they serve a public service purpose. The IRS even explicitly names these clubs as qualifying for deductions. This is great news if you're a member of one of these clubs, because it means you can deduct your dues as an ordinary and necessary business expense, something that can really add up over the year. But what about organizations like the Masons or Shriners? Unfortunately, neither the IRS regulations nor the law specifically mentions these organizations. However, the key factor is their principal purpose. If you can confidently state that the primary purpose of your membership in these organizations is civic or public service, like with Lions or Rotary, then your dues may be deductible. For example, Masons and Shriners engage in a lot of community service, charitable events, and public service activities. If you can prove that your participation is primarily for these reasons, and not entertainment, there's a strong argument for deductibility. To qualify for the deduction, the dues you pay must meet the ordinary and necessary business purpose test. This means your involvement in these organizations should contribute to your business or profession in some way. For instance, as a CPA, being involved in a service organization could boost your visibility in the business community, help you gain clients, and increase your professional stature. So, if you can demonstrate that your membership helps your business, you're on solid ground for claiming this deduction. All right, let's recap. Lions, Rotary, and Kiwanis club dues are tax deductible because they are classified as civic and public service organizations by the IRS. Masons and Shriners are not specifically named in IRS regulations, but if you can show that the principal purpose of your membership is community service and not entertainment, you may be able to deduct your dues. All dues must meet the ordinary and necessary test, meaning your membership should support your business in some meaningful way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might be part of these organizations, and subscribe for more tax tips and business strategies. Got questions about your own deductions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video!